the legal collection department of Midland Credit Management. I have your name.
Hi, yeah. So I'm gonna record as well, okay?
Sure.
Okay, yes. So the name is Jerry Hernandez.
For security reason, may I have your date of birth?
My date of birth?
Yeah,
Yeah, the date of birth is August 23rd, 1992.
perfect. Before proceed, this is an attempt to collect a debt. Any information obtained will be used for that purpose. Your account is in a different department. I'll connect you with my team. Please be on the line.
Okay.
Thank you for calling the Legal Collections Department of Midland Credit Management, a debt collection company. This call may be monitored or recorded. This is Jack Willis, an account manager. May I have your first and last name?
Yes, I'm recording the call as well. Yeah, so the name is Jerry Hernandez.
Okay. Thank you, Jerry. I have your details here. Federal law requires that I inform you I am a debt collector, and this is an attempt to collect a debt. Any information obtained will be used for that purpose. I'm showing that you have an unresolved matter that has been referred to our internal legal department for your two accounts. I mean, the first one is Citibank Costco Anywhere credit card purchased by Midland Credit Management with a
Yes.
balance of
Yes. Yes.
$4,997.39.
Yeah, I understand
And
that.
the second one,
Hey,
yeah,
hey,
second one is
sorry.
Citibank Advantage. I need to complete the disclosures and
Okay.
then yeah, I can help you.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So the second one is Citibank Advantage Platinum credit card purchased by Midland Credit Management with a balance of $2,216.32.
Yeah, but
So the
I'll,
total
I'll talk to her
balance
right
is
now. Yeah, okay. ¿Puedes tomar foto? Yeah.
$7,214.71. The attorneys of Midland have filed a lawsuit against you on the accounts. You can resolve that out of court over the phone using your routing and account number. So how would you like to take care of it?
Yes. So here, 1 second, real quick, okay? Here,
Mhm. Okay.
let me do something real quick. Yes, hello.
Yes.
Yes, so I just want to let you guys know that I'm putting you guys on notice that I was allegedly served on May 14th, 2025. They claim they served me with legal documents at 2:04 p.m. They say they served Jerry Hernandez and they delivered the documents to Jerry Hernandez, supposedly identified me, and that the subject said yes. I just want to let you guys know that I was never served with any court documents. I was actually at work. I have video proof. I have a declaration stating that I wasn't served. So I'm just putting you guys on notice. So how do you guys want to go about this?
Okay. So it says here in my source comments here on our system as well that the paperwork was served to you. It says your name here and whatever you confirm to me.
Uh-huh.
So right now the lawsuit is already filed. So do you know how the lawsuit works? What's your understanding about the legal status?
Yes, so I mean, there's a case and then there's a proof of service of summons
Mhm.
filed in the court system. I just want to so what do you guys want to do about that? I'm just telling you that I was never
Okay.
properly served.
Okay. So I'll tell you the process here. So basically, the next steps are now, if in case we do not come to any agreement, then the next steps are Midland may proceed with a default judgment, which may end up increasing your balance with the additional attorney cost, court cost, and other fees that may get applied on top of your balance. And it may open up opportunities of involuntary collections like a bank levy, wage garnishment, lien on the property, tax garnishment, whichever the state guidelines may allow. So you can avoid that situation by coming to an agreement to resolve the account. You can either pay this off in a one-time payment or set up a payment plan to pay this.
I hear you. I hear you. But do you have a email I could send you my proof that I was never served?
We don't have any such email. If you are saying that you were not served, uh, we might still we might serve you with the paperwork, but it's already served here as per our results as well. So see, that's for the service, but the lawsuit was already filed on Hall of Justice Courthouse.
Yes, I understand
So
that. I
if
understand that. Uh-huh.
right. So
But
what exactly are you trying to say right now? What exactly are you trying to say? How do you want
so
to resolve this matter?
so basically what I want to be properly served, and I want to know so the basically the agency that didn't serve me, again, I want to resolve this too, right? But I mean, I don't mind taking this to trial because I
So
have a case
what are
here.
you waiting for then? What
So I'm
exactly are you waiting for then? Because
so right
this
now,
is already
yeah, so right now you just basically told me that even though it says in the system that I was served,
mm-hmm,
that you guys are going to proceed with a default judgment. But I mean,
correct,
but
correct.
you guys can go ahead and do that, right? But again, I was never served. I'm just letting you know that I
We
mean,
already have a proof. We already have it on our records, and if the matter stays unresolved, then Midland may proceed with a judgment. So if
yeah,
you want to wait for that, you want to take your chances, it's your decision.
okay, yeah, no, I understand that. And but the thing is, I want to let you guys. So right now, I already did my part, and I let you guys know that I was never served, and I have proof, and I want to be able to provide you guys with that proof. So how can I do that? I need you to give me an email or
So
something
so
to
who
send you
got the
that proof.
paper? One
Huh?
second. Who got the papers then? Who
N-
has received the papers then if you haven't received it?
Nobody got the papers. So I'm gonna tell you how it happened. Somebody showed up at my house. They were
Mm-hmm.
yelling my name. I was not at my
Mm-hmm.
house. They said I was not at my house. So my mother was watching my kids at my house. So she said, "Oh, Jerry will
Mm-hmm.
be here at 6 p.m., but Jerry's not here today. He's at work." And so then this person left with the papers. But then next thing you know, my mom called me. She sent me messages saying, "Hey, there's somebody that came to the house with papers. I'm looking for you."
Right. So
So
they left the papers, right?
no,
They
no,
should have
no,
the
no, no,
papers, right?
no, no. They didn't leave the papers. They got there. I got it on
You
camera.
just said that.
No, no, no. I got there. No, no. I told you they got there with papers. They show up with papers in their hand, with their phone in the other hand,
Mm-hmm.
and then they leave with the same papers
Mm-hmm.
in their hand and the phone in their hand. So they didn't leave nothing.
Okay.
And then so let's say I'm telling you, like I have proof of this. I have a video proof that I want to send to you guys, and then I have video.
That's
I have
okay. I mean, so what do you want to do right now? What I'm not understanding. Are you saying this is not your debt? What exactly are you trying to dispute right now?
so I'm disputing the improper service.
You're disputing. So I mean, what exactly you want to do about that? At the moment, how how do you want to get this matter? What is your plan to resolve this matter? Let's say you're not
So
served right now. You get
so
you're
I mean,
saying you haven't been served as per you, but there is a lawsuit filed. You can go ahead and check the case in the court.
uh huh,
I
uh
have the case number with me. So what exactly are you trying to? What is your plan to resolve this matter?
yes.
Because
So
at the end, this is
yeah.
the lawsuit has been filed because of the non-payment of the account. If you make payments on the account, there will not be any further collection activity. So what exactly are you looking for?
Yes, so right now, I mean, I think my goal right now was to let you guys know this and provide you guys with the evidence.
We already, as I told you, I mean, we have the proof here. We have the notes here that the service was done. So, I mean, I'm not sure what you're going to do about what you're seeing. I mean, not that I'm not trusting you, but it's already there. The proof is already
Hmm.
there, and
Yeah.
Midland may proceed with the judgment. And if a judgment gets entered, your balance may not only be 7,200 because that may go up to 7,500, 8,000 or more with the additional court costs,
Yeah.
attorney costs, and other
Hmm.
fees that may
Hmm.
get applied.
I hear you.
So
I hear you. Yes.
if we are able to lock into a plan right now, then we will lock your balance and you can avoid any further collection activity
I hear
and
you. I hear
avoid
you.
any further action. Yeah.
I
So
hear.
you let me know what you're looking for right now.
Yes. So right now, what I'm looking for is proper service. Exercise my civil rights.
See,
Right. due
I am no
process.
one to request for any additional service here. I have the notes in front of me. It says that the service has been done.
Okay, so then since you so is there any way I can get in contact with the person that's actually suing
Attorneys
me?
do not take the calls. They
Uh,
don't take the calls. They work with the legal process. They don't take the calls. We are the ones to help you
okay,
with
okay,
the
yeah,
account.
yeah. The thing is, yeah, because I want to let her know that if there is a default judgment, then I already gave you guys notice that I was never served. I have the proof, and I will be submitting that as proof. So then the case will just simply be dismissed.
And that's what your perspective is, but that's the for the judge to decide that. So if you want to take your chances, that's fine. I'll just make a note of that on the account. That's all I can do for you.
Okay, make sure to note, and I have the video proof that I just like you guys supposedly gave me notice. I actually gave you guys notice that I was never served, and I attempted to give you guys the evidence, but you guys failed to provide me
So
anywhere where I could
what
submit this.
difference is that going to make? What difference is that going to make to this case? This amount that you owe, the debt that you owe.
The difference,
So
no, no, it's because you guys, it's because basically I was served a fraudulent. You guys submitted a fraudulent proof of service. That's my argument right there. You guys, I mean, like your attempt to collect the debt is in violation of federally regulated debt collections practices, right? So that's my point right there. That I mean, just like you guys are threatening to sue me, I think I might, hit you guys with a countersuit for fraudulently serving me for fraudulent practices of debt collections.
that's your call. If you want to file a suit, if you want to go to the court, it's still your decision. But my job was to let you know the process here.
Got you. Yeah, no, thank you, and I appreciate your job as well, man. Like, I mean, you're doing your job, and I'm doing my part as well, and and that's the whole reason of this call to let you guys know that you know that you guys served me with a that there's a fraudulent proof of service in the court system. I was never personally served. I have proof. I work at the courthouse, and I have video of everything. Okay, hello.
Yeah, give me one moment. I'm just checking something. Okay, that's fine if you have the video proof and everything. I mean, I understood what you are trying to say here, but what I'm trying to tell you is that I want to try and help you with this matter so that you don't have to face any further action on this matter. And I already told you that we have the proof here. It has already
Hmm.
been entered here that the service was done. So it's not that I'm not saying that I do not trust you, but I'm
Yeah.
just letting you know what is going to happen
Yeah, no, I
with
hear
this
you. I
for
hear
this
you. I
account.
hear you.
So
I hear you. Yeah, no, and I understand, and thank you for that information. But again, just like you're giving me information on what could happen, I'm giving you information on what I could possibly do as well. So you're basically giving me more leverage for my counter lawsuit against you guys. You're not trying to consider my evidence, my proof, right? Just like there's a proof of service right here. At the end of the day, the person who comes into the courthouse with the most convincing proof wins, and I have the most convincing proof because I have videos, I have decoration, I have videos that I was at work, and you can't beat those
that's fine.
facts.
If you think that that's going to help you with this case, it's fine. It's your decision. Go ahead and do that. I will not be able to help you with anything. I can just make a note on the account that you called and informed us about this.
Okay, thank you. And what is your response to that again?
I'm just saying that I'll just make a note that you called us and let us know that you haven't been served. That's all I can do. I can just make a note on the account. The matter will stay unresolved and the legal process may continue.
Okay, stay unresolved, resolved, and the
Yes,
legal matter will continue. Matter. Okay.
the legal process may continue.
No, you said will continue or may continue.
Legal process.
Will it continue or it may continue?
Legal process may continue.
May. Okay, got you. There's a difference between may and will. Got you, man. Thank you.
Yeah,
Hey, appreciate your time again. You're doing your job. I understand that, and thank you for being patient with me. And I'm also, being patient with you. All right. So thank you for taking my call,
absolutely.
and I may call you later. Okay.
That's fine.
And
I'll just make a note of the Tony again.
and what was your name?
And your address I have is 7830 Canton Drive, Lemon Grove,
Yeah, that's the address.
California
That's the
91945, right?
address. Yes, sir. That's
Yeah.
the address. And
And
what was your name?
yeah, my name is yeah Jack, and the last name is Willis, Willis.
Okay, got you.
And the number from which you have called, is this your cell number and a good number to reach you if in case needed?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Okay. All right. Anything else I can help you with for now?
No, that's it, Jack. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. And
Okay.
before we end the call, Jerry, there's a quick three questions survey to capture your feedback. Do you want to take the survey?
Yeah, why not?
All right. I'll connect you to the survey here. You can give a rating of 0 to 9, 9 being the best. It's basis of my performance on the call and your overall experience.
Got you,
So
got
I'll
you.
connect you now for the survey. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks so much.